While the Galaxy S26 Ultra may not seem that impressive on paper, there are a bunch of helpful upgrades hiding beneath the surface. Whether you are looking for improvements to AI, better camera quality, faster charging, or just better overall security, the Galaxy S26 Ultra should have something for you. If you are wondering where most of Samsung's effort went with this year's flagship, look no further than the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. While you may not notice much differences at a glance, there are plenty of upgrades this year, especially underneath the surface. Samsung has done a lot of tinkering with the phone, making it thinner and lighter than the last year's model, all while offering improvements to staple hardware like the display, vapor chamber, and camera. But there is also been emphasis on making your phone easier and simpler to use, with a little bit of help from AI, of course. Updates to Bixby let the AI act as a device agent capable of understanding and controlling your device. So if you are not sure how to use specific features, Bixby can fill in as a middleman. Photo Assist also lets you edit all your photos and videos using prompts rather than being forced to do it all manually. The most intriguing upgrades for most will be the privacy display, which purposely blocks content from prying eyes, and it's customizable. Those are just a handful of upgrades that Samsung has added to the S26 Ultra. We have only spent a short amount of time with the Galaxy S26 Ultra so far, but I did come away from my hands-on session rather impressed with some of the additions Samsung has made this year. Here is my pros and cons so far. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is available to pre-order now with a March 11 release date. Prices start at $1,299 for 256GB of storage, and in some regions pre-ordering will net you double the storage at no extra cost. Color options available include cobalt violet, black, sky blue, and white. This will be available at major retailers that carry Samsung phones. Samsung's online store will also have two exclusive color options, pink gold and silver shadow. Samsung Care Plus has also been upgraded to include coverage for device theft and loss, unlimited repairs, and worldwide coverage. Samsung has confirmed it will also be able to use Knox security to remotely lock down and block any missing devices. Initially, I felt as though the Galaxy S26 Ultra was another iterative upgrade, and in a lot of respects, it is on paper. Despite this, Samsung has pushed through a lot of great changes and upgrades that could prove to be genuinely useful and are likely to be promptly copied by some of the competition. The privacy screen is the standout security feature on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Likewise, the camera's horizontal lock is not a wholly original idea, but it is a novel idea for a smartphone that could prove very useful. The rest of the phone's hardware looks solid too. We have got a potentially major performance boost from the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, and the larger camera aperture should offer major improvements to photo quality, especially in low light conditions. The main question we have right now is whether the phone is actually worth upgrading to. Many of these AI features may make the jump back to older devices, and as impressive as the hardware upgrades are, it's not clear whether it's worth paying $1,299 for. We'll just have to wait and see how the Galaxy S26 Ultra performs once we can put it through some in-depth testing. Stay tuned for our rated review.